Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the Ravencoin price prediction. Before starting this video, if you listen my voice, please hit the subscribe button. If you listen my voice, and also hit the like button. So let's see what price changes occur in the Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe RVN channel because I update you every hour about every cryptocurrencies at the market's rates. As you can see here, first of all, we look the chart analysis of Ravencoin. What's the chart tell us to what's the Ravencoin price changes in the last 2 hours? That is the live price changes of the last 2 hours. If we look the chart of the Ravencoin, so it's still us that the Ravencoin falls down in the previous 2 hours. I'm really sorry to say that, but that's the reality. If you see the chart of the Ravencoin, so it's falls down in the previous 2 hours. So the changes is in positive, but they are falling down, so soon they are in negative. The changes is positive 0.43% occur in a Ravencoin in the previous 2 hours, and the high price of Ravencoin is about $0.201065 is the high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 hour. So that's the last 1 hour price changes. Now let's see what's the price changes in the previous last 1 hour. What's the 1 hour changes of Ravencoin in the cryptocurrencies market? As I told you that the Ravencoin percentage change percentage as soon in a negative. So here are the changes as in negative. You can see here negative 0.14% chance occur in the Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour. If we look the chart of the Ravencoin, so it's tell us it's clear that the Ravencoin falls down as you can see here, and currently they are in falls. So it's the best time to sell it. My suggestion is to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box, because I am also a holder of Ravencoin. Please share your suggestion in the comment box. If we see the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour, so the high price of Ravencoin is about $0.2003 is the high price of Ravencoin in the previous last 1 hour. Hope you like this video. If you liked, please don't forget to subscribe RVN channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market.